Hello, I am Bhoomi Patel and I am a proud Navkarite. I just cleared my CA final examination in May 2019 with All India 39th rank. Actually, I had not aimed for the rank, but I had a clear vision in my mind to pass in first attempt itself. I started studying one and a half year before my exam, and I used to study 4 to 5 hours in weekends. And in last 6 months I used to study 8 to 10 hours a day. Since you joined Navkar, all its plans ready to help you. In beginning, they had weekly exams or chapter wise exams, and later on the full course prelims in the Navkar that helped me a lot for getting the rank. I want to further add that Navkar app is helped me a lot to revise my chapters, and if you miss your lectures due to the articleship, then it's a backup plan for you. During the last 6 months, if I bored while reading, then I just listen the video lectures and revise my chapters. I want to thank all faculties, admin staff and the whole Navkar system to be so supportive to me all times, and especially I want to thank my friends and family to being with me all the times when I needed and help me to get this rank. Navkar, we believe in the best.